Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. It is time for some Spanish. Y'all, I'm in Las Vegas. I try to give y'all a little view of the mountains behind me. It's such a beautiful morning here in Las Vegas. So one of my subscribers messaged me this morning and wanted to know if one of the vendors I had sent them offered delivery. So I said, call them. She's like, of course, how do I say it in Spanish? So in Spanish today, our lesson is Ofrecen entrega. Ofrecen entrega is, do you have delivery? Do you offer delivery? Actually, do you offer delivery? So that is Ofrecen entrega. Do you offer delivery? All right, that's our little bit of Spanish for today. Practice, practice, practice. That's what I'm doing. And I am in Las Vegas for a few days. Guys, the mountains are beautiful. I'm getting ready to go have a little walk this morning, enjoy the sunshine, a little cool air before heading back to Punta Cana. And yes, my hotel is right by the airport, so you see the planes going by. Guys, have a wonderful day and practice your Spanish. And again, the phrase was Ofrecen entrega. Do you offer delivery? You got to know that since y'all are down there buying up all the property in Punta Cana and you're going to need your things delivered. So now you know. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you enjoyed the episode last night, Thursday night. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. Have a good day.